Miva is a dropshipping platform that you might have heard about, but is it the right choice for your business? Let's dive into 12 things you need to know before committing to Miva and how it stacks up against other popular options. First off, Miva's main selling point is its flexibility. Unlike Shopify, which focuses more on simplicity, Miva offers deep customization options for experienced users. This means that if you have specific design or functionality needs, Miva could be a good fit for you, though it might require more technical know-how. Next thing to know, Miva has a steep learning curve. It's not as beginner-friendly as some alternatives like WooCommerce or BigCommerce. While it provides powerful tools, you'll need to spend more time getting familiar with the platform's interface and customizing it to your liking. The third thing worth mentioning is Miva's pricing. It's not as transparent as Shopify or WooCommerce, and their pricing plans can add up quickly depending on the features you need. While they offer a robust set of tools, you might find that what starts as a low entry price quickly escalates once you add customizations or additional integrations. The fourth thing you should know is that Miva is highly scalable. Unlike platforms like Wix or Squarespace, which are more suited to small scale businesses, Miva is built for serious e commerce operations. If you're planning to grow, Miva can handle large product catalogs, high traffic, and more complex business models, making it an appealing option for growing businesses. Fifth, Miva offers a decent set of SEO tools. However, compared to Shopify or BigCommerce, you might find the options less intuitive. For beginners, you might need to invest more time in learning the SEO settings to make sure your site ranks well. Next, let's talk about Miva's support. Miva has a reputation for offering solid customer service, but it's not available 24/7 like some competitors. If you're operating across different time zones or need immediate help, this could be a drawback, especially when compared to platforms like Shopify, which offers 24/7 support. The seventh thing is Miva's built-in payment gateways. Miva offers its own payment system, but it's not as seamless as Stripe or PayPal integrations on other platforms. You might need third-party services to streamline your checkout process, adding to the overall complexity. Next, Miva does offer mobile-friendly designs, but again, it's not as easy to implement as Shopify or BigCommerce mobile responsive templates. Customization on mobile layouts will require some coding experience, which might be a turnoff for those looking for a quick, no-fuss solution. The ninth point is Miva's security features. While Miva does offer SSL certificates and other security tools, its competitors like Shopify tend to have more advanced security features built in from the start, which can provide peace of mind for both you and your customers. The 10th thing to know is that Miva is not the best choice for dropshipping beginners. If you're just starting out, platforms like Oberlo with Shopify might be easier and faster to set up. Miva's advanced features are great for established businesses, but new dropshippers might find the learning curve overwhelming. 11th, Miva has robust inventory management features, especially for businesses with a large number of SKUs. If you're handling a big inventory or a diverse product range, Miva's tools can save you a lot of time and headaches. But for small-scale operations, it might feel like overkill. Lastly, Miva integrates with a range of third-party apps, but the integrations aren't as extensive or as plug-and-play as you'll find with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. You may have to spend extra time setting up or configuring certain integrations, which could affect the overall experience. So, is Miva a good choice for your dropshipping store? It offers flexibility, scalability, and powerful tools that are perfect for established businesses or those looking to grow. But for beginners or those looking for an easier, more intuitive platform, Miva might not be the best fit. If you're interested in a solution that offers ease of use, scalability, and more intuitive dropshipping features, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up against Miva.